Hey, what's up producers, Bruce Mennel here, and in this new series you will learn how to make a complete techno track, start to finish, in Ableton Live 11, so subscribe now, you'll get a solid foundation for your next music productions. You'll see how to layer kicks, how to make a rumble kick, how to process them with saturation, EQ, compression, and how to use and control audio effect on your audio tracks, groups, and your master bus for maximum impact. It starts with the proper setup, and that's exactly what you're going to do today. Set up Maschine with Live, route MIDI and audio tracks, create groups for your kicks, and create MIDI regions. This way you will no longer start new projects from scratch. All you need to do is load new samples with your Maschine controller in no time, so you get into the creative process a lot faster. Let me show you this awesome song starter you can create in minutes. If that's what you're looking for, then keep watching. This project is totally empty, and the first thing you want to do is create a MIDI track for Maschine. Leave MIDI from set to no input and set audio to sends only. For the low end, you will need 4 kick samples, so create 4 MIDI tracks and rename them: main kick MIDI, top kick MIDI, rumble kick MIDI, and sub MIDI. Leave MIDI from set to no input and main kick MIDI to Maschine track 1, top kick MIDI to Maschine track 2, rumble kick MIDI to Maschine track 3, and sub MIDI to Maschine track 4. Group the tracks and rename the group kick and sub MIDI. Now create 4 audio tracks and rename them: main kick audio, top kick audio, rumble kick audio, and sub audio. Group the tracks and rename the group kick and sub audio. Main kick audio from Maschine post mixer, top kick audio from Maschine 2, rumble audio from Maschine 3, and sub audio from Maschine 4. And for these 4 audio tracks, select monitor in, audio 2, kick and sub audio. Group the 2 groups and rename that new group kick and sub. Make sure the kick and sub audio group is routed to kick and sub routed to your master. Now open up Maschine and reroute your pads. Go to MIDI, input, source, host for all the pads, pad 1, channel 1, pad 2, channel 2, and do that for all the pads on your controller. Now go to output, pad 1, external 1, pad 2, external 2, pad 3, external 3, and pad 4, external 4. Now create MIDI regions and write notes for your kicks and sub. Load your kick samples from your favorite expansions. In the next video, you will learn how to layer your main and top kicks before creating a rumble kick. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.